Human health and well-being are of importance all over the world. Saving and improving lives are what the pharma industry promises. Guangzhou Pharmaceuticals Company Limited, established in 1951, is a subsidiary of Guangzhou Pharmaceutical Holdings Limited, GPHL, which ranks among the Fortune Global 500. Guangzhou Pharmaceuticals is engaged in the distribution and retail of various pharmaceutical products and is committed to providing professional supply chain services in the pharmaceutical industry. To guarantee the pharmaceutical logistics system in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau Bay Area and support the next 15 years' business growth, Guangzhou Pharmaceuticals has established a logistic hub in Guangzhou City and aims to build a smart, green, efficient, and high-quality logistics center. The Intelligent Logistics Center Phase 1 covers an area of 68.5 mu. It can store about 600,000 to 700,000 pieces of drugs, with an order processing capacity of 220,000 orders per day, and daily receiving and dispatching capacity of 100,000 pieces. Turnover reaches up to 24 million boxes per year. It is one of the most advanced pharmaceutical logistics hubs in China. NTI, a leading logistics expert, is the system integrator of the Intelligent Logistics Center and has rich experience in pharma industry logistics systems. They know how to meet customers' needs. Modern logistics technologies and solutions such as automated storage and retrieval systems, warehouse management systems, automatic guided vehicles, and, of course, Interroll solutions are applied in the Intelligent Logistics Center. Guangzhou Pharmaceuticals was looking for the best partner with proven, cutting-edge, future-oriented solutions.
Interroll 的整个产品及解决方案呢，在行业里边也是领先的。
We consider efficiency and flexibility when choosing solutions, and reliability and easy maintenance are also quite important for us, saying Fred Yan, Director of Logistics Business. We have done research and finally found Interroll solutions which enjoy a high reputation in the pharma industry. Interroll has been successfully doing business in China for more than 20 years, with regional centers of excellences in Suzhou and Shenzhen, providing solutions and services to customers not only in China but also in the Asia-Pacific region. Serving a wide range of industries, Interroll has earned the recognition of customers such as Li Weiwei, SF Express, JD.com, Shanghai Pudong Airport. On this project, Interroll provided its modular conveyor platform MCP to Guangzhou Pharmaceuticals. The modular platform concept makes Interroll solutions very flexible and enables fast delivery as well as easy installation. Moreover, its Industry 4.0 ready digital interfaces prepare for Guangzhou Pharmaceuticals' expected future growth. Moreover, the zero-pressure accumulation technologies of the Interroll roller drive and multi-control card allow for maximum performance and lowest energy consumption. Interroll solutions help us to achieve our goal and contribute a lot to our turnover, which has tripled. Thanks to Interroll's conveying system, we are able to deliver medicine accurately and efficiently to the people who need it, says Yan. Interroll has also provided about 40 of its robust, reliable belt curves to Guangzhou Pharmaceuticals to ensure smooth, efficient delivery of goods.
We are quite
satisfied with Interroll. Their solutions help us solve our pain points, Yan adds. Interroll is a good pharmaceutical industry warehouse and distribution choice.